The landing and summary, estimating height and movement during the approach, roundout, and touchdown. Vision is of prime importance to provide a wide scope of vision and to foster good judgment of height and movement. The pilot's head should assume a natural straight ahead position. Visual focus is not fixed on any one side or any one spot ahead of the airplane. Instead, it is changed slowly from a point just over the airplane's nose to the desired touchdown zone and back again. This is done while maintaining a deliberate awareness of distance from either side of the runway using your peripheral field of vision.
Roundout flare. The roundout is a smooth transition from a normal approach attitude to a landing attitude, gradually rounding out the flight path to one that is parallel with and within a very few inches above the runway. When the airplane in a normal descent approaches within what appears to be 10 to 20 feet above the ground, the roundout or flare is started. This is a continuous process until the airplane touches down on the ground on the mains first. Touchdown. The touchdown is the gentle settling of the airplane onto the landing surface. The roundout and touchdown are normally made with the engine idling and the airplane at minimum controllable airspeed so that the airplane touches down on the main gear at approximately stalling speed. As the airplane settles, the proper landing attitude is attained by application of whatever back pressure is necessary. To graphically represent the three-phase landing, you'll be aiming the aircraft for your spot, the roundout, and the final phase is flare to touchdown.